and welcome back to Daily English Talk.
Hi, everyone. We are so happy you're here with us today.
We're Emma and Harry.
And we help you practice English through calm, real-life conversations.
And today's topic is overthinking, how to explain what's happening in your mind, and how to calm it down in real, natural English.
So let's get started together and make overthinking feel a little less heavy. I'm glad we picked this table today.
Me too. It feels quiet here, like the world is moving, but not too close to us.
That's a very Emma sentence.
I know. I needed a place where my head could slow down.
Your head hasn't slowed down lately.
Not really.
Okay. Before we go into the lesson, how are you? Honestly.
I'm tired, but not the kind of tired that sleep fixes.
The kind of tired that comes from thinking.
Exactly. It's like my body is sitting still, but my mind keeps pacing.
That's such a clear way to say it.
And I hate that it sounds dramatic, because it doesn't feel dramatic in the moment.
Overthinking rarely feels dramatic. It feels quietly endless.
Yes, quietly endless is the perfect description.
Are you overthinking something specific, or is it just everything?
It started with one small thing, and then it spread.
Like a drop of ink in water?
Like that, yeah.
Okay. Tell me the small thing.
I sent a message yesterday.
A normal message?
Normal, friendly, simple.
And after you sent it,
I stared at it like it was evidence in a court case.
you reread it.
I reread it, then I read it again, then I imagined how it sounded in their head.
And then you started rewriting it.
In my head, yes, like I could undo it by thinking harder.
What was the message?
I wrote, "Hey, are we still on for tomorrow? No worries if you're busy."
That's polite.
That's what I thought.
So what did your mind do with it?
My mind said, "No worries sounds like I'm insecure."
Interesting.
Then it said, "If you're busy sounds like I'm already expecting rejection."
So you started judging your own tone.
Yes, and then I imagined them reading it and thinking, why is she so intense?
Even though it wasn't intense.
Even though it wasn't.
Did they reply?
Not right away.
And that gap created space for your mind to fill in the blanks.
Exactly. The silence became a whole story.
This is a key overthinking sentence for viewers. The silence became a whole story.
It's true. I turned 2 hours of no reply into a full personality analysis.
What story did you create?
That they were annoyed, that they didn't want to meet, that they were being polite by not answering.
And how did that make you feel?
Small, embarrassed, like I had already done something wrong.
Even though you didn't know anything for sure.
Right.
This is another key sentence. I didn't know anything for sure, but I felt like I did.
That's the danger. It feels real.
Overthinking often feels like certainty when it's actually just fear with good vocabulary.
Wow, that's painfully accurate.
Okay, let's turn this into useful English. If you want to describe what happened, you can say,
I kept rereading my message.
yes, or I kept replaying it in my head.
Replaying it in my head is exactly it.
You can also say, I'm overanalyzing it.
Overanalyzing sounds a little formal.
It can, so a more natural one is, I'm reading too much into it.
That one is perfect.
I'm reading too much into it means you're adding extra meaning that might not be there.
And it sounds calm, not dramatic.
Another natural phrase is, I'm spiraling a bit.
Spiraling feels honest.
And you can soften it, I think I'm spiraling a little.
I think I'm spiraling a little. It sounds like self-awareness, not chaos.
Exactly.
What about when your mind won't stop?
You can say, My mind won't switch off.
My mind won't switch off. That's so real.
Or my thoughts won't slow down.
Yes.
Or I can't stop thinking about it.
The simplest sentence is sometimes the best.
That's a lesson in English and in life. Can I ask you something a little deeper?
Go ahead.
Is it really just the message, or did it touch something older in you?
It touched something older.
I thought so.
When someone doesn't reply, I feel unsafe.
Unsafe emotionally.
Yes, like I'm about to be left out, like I'm about to be forgotten.
That's a heavy feeling from a small trigger.
And that's why it's embarrassing. I feel like I shouldn't react that strongly.
But your body doesn't care about should.
Exactly. My mind tries to act mature, but my nervous system is like a child holding on to a fear.
That's beautifully said.
It's also exhausting.
Did you grow up in a home where silence meant something?
Yes.
Like silence was punishment?
Like silence was danger. If someone was quiet, it meant you had done something wrong.
So now when someone doesn't reply, your brain says something is wrong.
Yes, even if nothing is wrong.
That's the pattern.
And I hate that I still have it.
Emma, patterns don't disappear because you hate them. They change when you understand them.
That's what I'm trying to do.
You're doing it right now. Okay, can we do a simple exercise?
Please.
We're going to separate facts from stories.
Facts from stories.
Facts are what you know for sure.
Like evidence.
Exactly. Stories are what your mind adds.
Like assumptions.
Yes. Here's the key sentence for viewers. Let's stick to facts, not assumptions.
That's such a grounding line.
So, fact, you sent a message.
Yes.
Fact, they didn't reply for 2 hours.
Yes.
Fact, you don't know why.
Right.
Now, story, they're annoyed.
Story.
Story, you sounded insecure.
Story.
Story, they secretly don't like you.
Story.
Now, what is a neutral alternative story?
They were busy.
Good.
They were driving.
Good.
They saw it and wanted to reply properly later.
Exactly.
They were resting.
Yes.
That already makes my chest feel less tight.
Because your brain stops acting like it's in danger.
This is what I wish I could do automatically.
You can build the habit, not perfectly, but consistently.
Habits again.
Everything comes back to habits.
What would you say if a friend told you they were overthinking?
I'd say, talk to me. What are you telling yourself?
That's a good question.
Or, what's the story your mind is making?
That's gentle.
Or, what do you know for sure?
That one is grounding.
And if you want to speak about yourself, you can say,
I might be overthinking, but...
perfect. I might be overthinking, but I feel unsettled.
I might be overthinking, but I feel uneasy.
Yes, uneasy is a great word.
Uneasy is calmer than anxious.
Exactly, it's softer.
And then you can ask for clarity.
Right. You can say, can I check something with you?
That sounds natural.
Or, can I ask what you meant by that?
That's so useful.
Because overthinking grows in silence, but clarity shrinks it.
Wow, that's the whole lesson.
It really is. Okay, role play. I'm the person you texted.
Okay.
2 hours later, I reply, hey, yes, tomorrow works. Sorry, I was busy.
And I feel relief.
But also,
I feel embarrassed that I suffered for 2 hours.
and that's where kindness matters.
Yes.
Now let's role play a different scenario, one where you need to ask for clarity.
Okay.
Imagine I said something in a meeting. We'll talk about it later.
And I take it personally.
Exactly. You go home and think, he's disappointed in me.
Yes.
Now you send a calm message.
I say, hey Harry, can I check something with you?
Good.
I say, when you said we'll talk about it later, did you mean we need to fix something?
That's excellent English.
It's direct but not aggressive.
Right, it's curious.
And it gives the person a chance to clarify.
Exactly.
And if they say, no, I just meant we ran out of time, then my brain can relax.
That's the power of one calm question.
One calm question can save you a whole night.
That line belongs in the comments. Can we talk about nighttime overthinking?
Absolutely.
Because daytime overthinking is annoying, but nighttime overthinking feels cruel.
Because everything is quieter.
And your brain becomes louder. What happens for you at night?
I lie down and my mind starts scrolling through my life like it's a feed.
That's a perfect metaphor.
Old conversations, mistakes, things I said, things I didn't say.
Do you replay them?
I replay them and I imagine better versions of me.
The version that said the perfect thing.
The version that never looked awkward.
And then you punish yourself for being human.
Yes, and I don't even realize I'm doing it until I feel heavy.
So how do we say that in English?
I keep replaying everything in my head.
Great.
I keep thinking about what I should have said.
Perfect.
I can't fall asleep because my mind won't stop.
Exactly.
And then what?
Then we bring in grounding language.
Grounding language.
Simple phrases you can say to yourself.
Like what?
I'm safe right now.
That's powerful.
I don't have to solve this tonight.
I love that one.
I can think about this tomorrow.
It gives your brain permission to rest.
Exactly.
But sometimes my brain says, no, we must solve it now.
Then you respond, not now.
Just not now?
Yes. Short, firm, kind.
That feels like setting a boundary with your own mind.
That's exactly what it is.
You sound like you've practiced this a lot.
I have.
Was it always easy for you?
No, I used to overthink in a different way.
Tell me.
I used to overthink my worth,
Like comparing yourself?
like thinking I had to earn love by being impressive.
That's painful.
And if someone was quiet, I didn't think they were busy.
You thought you failed.
Exactly.
What changed?
Someone once told me, you're not a mind reader.
That's such a simple sentence.
And it hit me. I was acting like I could read people perfectly.
But you can't.
No one can.
So your brain was creating stories.
Yes, stories that hurt me.
That's another key line. I'm not a mind reader.
And viewers can use it.
I'm not a mind reader, so I'm going to ask.
Perfect.
That's confidence.
It is.
Can we give viewers a few templates they can actually use?
Yes, but let's keep it natural.
Okay, first template. I might be overthinking, but I feel.
Great. I might be overthinking, but I feel a little uneasy.
I might be overthinking, but I need some clarity.
Nice.
Second template. What I know for sure is.
Yes. What I know for sure is you haven't replied yet.
And what I'm assuming is.
What I'm assuming is you're upset.
That's so clear.
Third template. Can I check something with you?
And then a simple question.
Exactly.
Fourth template. I keep replaying it in my head.
Very natural.
Fifth template. I'm trying to calm my mind.
And you can add, I'm trying to ground myself.
Ground myself is a great phrase.
It means come back to the present, to what's real.
Can I tell you the part I don't like to admit?
Yes.
Sometimes I think overthinking is me trying to protect myself.
That's not shameful, that's insightful.
Because if I imagine the worst first, I feel prepared.
Exactly.
But then I live the worst twice.
That's the cost.
I live it in my head even if it never happens.
This is a powerful line for viewers. I'm living the worst twice.
And I'm tired of paying that cost.
So what do you want instead?
I want to be someone who asks instead of someone who guesses.
That's beautiful.
I want to be someone who rests instead of someone who rehearses pain.
That's even more beautiful.
But I need the English for it too.
And that's why this channel exists. Okay, let's give viewers a calm practice prompt.
Yes.
Viewers, write one sentence in the comments.
Use this template.
I might be overthinking, but I feel blank.
Or this one. What I know for sure is blank. What I'm assuming is blank.
And if you want the bravest one,
Can I check something with you?
exactly.
Because one clear question can save you so much peace.
And you deserve peace.
You really do.
Okay, take a breath.
And let's move to the ending. All right, so that's the end of today's lesson about overthinking.
Thank you so much for staying with us, especially if you're watching this while your mind feels a little loud.
We hope this lesson helped you feel understood and helped you find simple English to describe what's happening inside.
Remember, overthinking doesn't mean you're weak. It often means you care and your mind is trying to keep you safe.
But you don't have to live inside your thoughts all alone.
Before you go, leave a comment using one of today's templates.
I might be overthinking, but I feel...
Or, what I know for sure is blank. What I'm assuming is blank.
We read your comments and will reply to help you sound more natural and more confident.
If this lesson helped you, please like the video. It truly supports the channel.
And subscribe to Daily English Talk for more calm, real-life English with conversations that feel like real life.
Thanks again for learning with us.
Take care of yourself.
And take a deep breath.
Bye, everyone.
Bye.